Hello, INTON.
Hi.
Hi, what do you have here? Okay.
The Lego set.
Now, INTON want to open his Lego set.
I've been waiting for mine to take away, and she's taking so long.
Are you complaining? I thought you are excited to open your birthday gift. All right. Let's see what you have here. It's the Lego City. What is this? Bulldozer Dragon. Wow.
Open time.
All right. Wow, lots of pieces here.
How many pieces?
Okay, INTON unboxing.
Can you say how many pieces?
561 pieces.
Wow.
Okay, let's see what inside.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Whoa. Look at these. Oh. And what pieces?
How many bags you got here?
I got it.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, we have one bag of instruction and stickers. How many bags? Can you line them up?
Hello.
Okay, we have 7 bags and one pack.
The instructions.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
And 2 platforms and 2 sticks.
I think these are for.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
Let's have some fun. We're gonna build Lego set. This is huge. What are you building now?
I'm building the
Bulldozer. Wow! Finally, INTON finished. What is it? Bulldozer. The bulldozer. Yeah,
There's a chain on the back.
that's right.
I'm gonna hook it here.
Okay, let mommy see.
Time for
Close
the
up.
helicopter.
Okay.
Uh-oh,
This is
I can run
what
away.
we built.
Look at it. This thing moves.
Oh, it can move?
And there's a trap door. This thing moves on the bulldozer.
Let me see. Let mommy see. Close up. Alright. Ooh.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer the land. Bulldoze the land.
Okay, can you show me what bulldozer can do? Can you open that? Which part is can move? Can you show me? Ooh, like that. That part can move. Ooh. Right.
I tripped. You let me trip.
Wow. Hi INTON. Now you are ready to build the bag number 2. So Lego City Bulldozer breaking continue. This is part 2. INTON's going to build helicopter. Wow. Alright, this is final finish for bag number 2, the helicopter.
These are the
INTON, can you
these
show?
are the parts that move.
Where
Even
is
this,
it? Where is it?
this,
Where is it? Ah, that can move.
This.
Ah, that can open. That's the pilot can open and that can move. Wow.
So that will
Where's the light? Can you show me the light?
the light where
The yellow one and that's a camera. That's what you said, camera.
Look at there's a red light here, a green light
Oh.
here,
Okay.
and here's a blue one.
Nice. Okay.
Time to build the
What?
next one.
All right. Hi, INTON.
Hi.
So right now, INTON is going to build the police truck, which is the instruction number 3.
I'm just
We
going
are
to
going
do-
to use bag number 3 and number 4 all together to build the police truck. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah. And then what's the pattern here? I'm so my scraps. Time to get to work. I found the police dog. Whoa, there's a lot of handcuffs here. There's 3 handcuffs there. Now I have 2. Now I have 2. There you go, Bobby. Your treasure. Your
The final finish for the police truck.
You got in? Of course. Hey, where did the bad guys go? Oh, that's it. Let's just get in, doggy. Woof, 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 woof. Whoa, what's that patch? Wow.
Let me see on the back of the truck. You open? How you open it? Ooh. All right. Nice. Hi, INTON. Okay, now we are moving on. Bag number 5, which is the instruction book number 4. We are going to build
The
building.
The big
Building is
giant bank.
a bank. All right.
Bank.
Okay, let's see.
Click.
Let's get started.
Yeah. This is gonna take a long time.
All right. INTON is on bag number 6 now. Let's see. Book number 5 and build bag number 6. All right. Hi, INTON.
Hi.
Okay, now you are going to build bag number 7. So I think yes, you can cut it open. And now you can finish the bank or the building.
Look at the money.
Lots of pieces here.
Look at the money.
All right. let's get started.
First, I will pile. I'll get the money and put the money right here. Here. The bad guy. Ha ha ha. Woohoo.
So this is the final finish.
And this is what can happen.
What happened? Oh, the bad guy robbed the bank